Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in OneMain Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in OneMain Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you need your email address and a password to log in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. If you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked. If you have forgotten your username, you can click here and reset your username. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click here to recover it. And if you want to create your online loans account, you can click here. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in OneMain Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.